Grow. Grow strong. Grow wise. To grow is a powerful thing. It feeds the world. We're Cantera Seeds. Let's grow.
Alright, so I'm here with Darryl of CASE IH. We're standing in front of a new transmission system.
Yeah. Hi, Debra.
Tell us about this.
I sure can. Yeah, just to give customers and potential customers a little bit better idea about what we use in our transmissions in our new high horsepower Magnum tractors. We brought along a cutaway of the new high horsepower Magnum CVT transmission. When customers can get in and have a look at it, what we've done is we've sequenced a video along with the operation of the CVT, so that it leaves really no question in their mind on how the transfer of power goes from the engine to the ground. Our new transmission is kind of a shared technology between a full power shift transmission, where we use clutch packs, hydraulic pressure to engage the clutch pack on a certain gear at a certain time, and a hydro motor running a planetary gear set to give us infinitely adjustable input speeds to that transmission. So basically that gives us a quick talk on what the customer can expect for feel in the operator's seat under a heavy load or a light load application of the tractor.
So what tractors will this be in?
Yep, good question. So with the new Tier 4B final emission controls on our tractors, these will be found in 250 to 380 horsepower Magnum tractors. And the nice thing about that is our big 380 comes with CVT only and comes with a new 5-inch rear axle. So it is one of the biggest, heaviest, and strongest MFD tractors on the market today with infinitely variable or continuously variable transmission technology.
And this is going back to the emission stuff. It's sort of something that we're working towards in agriculture.
Well, that's a little bit different discussion, but emission controls today for North American tractor producers, we're pretty much forced to look at cleaning up air quality, designing and building tractors that are more fuel efficient with better power. So all of our tractors today in 110 horsepower and above uses a technology called selective catalytic reduction, or SCR for short, giving us efficient power, nice clean air into our combustion chambers, giving us nice clean power, very efficient use of our fuel. And that carries us through to the new Steiger 620 behind me, the largest four-wheel drive tractor in the market. New for the 2014 model year, features a 12.9 liter engine putting out nearly 700 horsepower of engine power to the ground. So yeah, very exciting.
Yeah.
You bet.
Maybe we'll just walk through this actually now.
Okay. Okay, very good. Yeah, so basically, Debra, what we have here, you can look through the plexiglass and you can see the upper half of the transmission features a hydraulic component. The bottom half of the transmission is a mechanical component. So the CASE IH CVT transmission is referred to as a hydromechanical transmission. On closer inspection, the customer will take them through and explain that we have 4 forward gears, so mechanically meshed forward gears. The transition of power goes through a clutch pack on each one of those gears. At the front, we have a forward and reverse clutch, transferring the power from the engine into the transmission and onto the ground, onto the rear differential. The control in cab, very user-friendly. The multi-control handle gives you basically all the functionality of the tractor at the touch of your hand.
So it's pretty easy to control. It's not a bunch of shifting around.
Right on the money. Yeah, you physically don't have to select a gear. The tractor itself will select its own engine RPM and its own gear ratio to give you the most efficient use of the power with the best fuel economy and the best most user-friendliness from an operator's perspective.